Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a TV provider on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on TV provider. Then to select a TV provider, tap on Remove TV provider. That will allow you to remove the current TV provider, and then from the list here you can select your region, and then in here you can select a TV provider, and then you need to sign into your TV provider, and after that you then be able to connect to that provider. And that's it. So that is how you can select a TV provider for your iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.